Here's how most people use AI. They find a handful of prompts that have worked, and 95% of their time with AI is just using those same prompts, using it for those same use cases most of the time. And nothing wrong with that. Use what works. But I'd recommend about 60% of your time on that repetition, repeating the use cases that work, but then carve out 30% of time on iteration, taking the prompts that you're using right now for the use cases you're using right now and make your prompt better and get better results out of the AI. And the final 10% you should spend on experimentation, using AI for things that you're not sure will work, that you've never tried it for before. So that's the 60-30-10 rule. All right. Now, speaking of experimentation, it reminds me of this timeless quote from Sun Tzu, the most famous strategist of all time, who said, "Just try it with AI." So my pro tip, every time you sit down at a computer to do something, try it first with AI and see if it can help. Don't overthink it. Don't I'm not sure how to describe. Just try it with AI, and you'll be surprised. And when it doesn't work, don't think, oh, well, this doesn't work. Think, this doesn't work yet. And if it's an important use case for you, leave yourself a calendar reminder to try it again in 3 months.